Hello there, YouTube, and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin, and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest, in that little place of Belfair, Washington, Hickville, USA, as I love to call it. I love, love, love living in a small town. Love it. I don't think there's a better place to be. And that's saying something from somebody who thought that she would, when she grew up, when I was in high school, well, when I was young in high school, like maybe my first year, I thought the ideal place would be living in a city, in a high-rise apartment. Yeah, that is so not me. It's an adult. Oh, that is so not me. So anyways, welcome to my channel, everybody. This is May 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative Video number 7. So I hope you like this cute little card. It's going to be a little different. Like they're all not different, right? But we are going to wait till you see. I had to try to change it up a bit. So this is Mountain Majesties kit. You could have made 3 of this one, and this one, and the 3 different envelopes: Misty Moonlight, Lost Lagoon, and Petal Pink. So over here, this QR code would lead you to a video to show you how to put this kit together as it is designed. The visual of everything in the kit down here, it lists the coordinating colors. Now videos 1 through 5, I show you everything that comes in the kit. After that, we mosey along like Mr. Hank the Tank. So right here, the Hugs of Bloom dies are the coordinating add-on dies that will coordinate with April, May, and June's Paper Pumpkin Kit. The new set is called Circle of Seasons. I got it right? Okay. So the stamps are You Mean the World to Me, For a Wonderful Man, The Birds, which we have the little set of 4, and then you can cut these apart right about there, which you will then have 3. I Love You, Best Dad Ever, You're the Greatest, Happy Father's Day, and Happy Birthday. With that being said, we're not using any of those. I am resorting back to one of my very, very favorite, if not my all-time favorite, Notes from the Heart, December 2024's Paper Pumpkin stamp set. I love the font. I love all of them. But we are using Hello and Just a Note. Why? Because I can. Okay. So that being said, we are once again, the lovely Phyllis sent a refill kit of this, and today we are going to make one final card, but we're going to add some extra pieces from Fun in the Sun. So if by chance you still have some pieces from this, maybe you will have them and you can change up one of these cards from this kit and make this card instead. So let me show you what I've got. Moving this aside, so we have a sentiment strip, right? We are just going to go ahead and pop Hello in Pecan Pie on this. And we're going to do it. Let's hope that stays on. We're going to do it closest to the banner here, this side, because we're going to cut it off from there. So that being said, that's done. We can even go ahead and get the guillotine out. Put it in here, give it a little cut. Now this is from the Fun in the Sun July 2023's kit, the sentiment strip. Hello. We have these wonderful little palm trees, and I'm looking for my dimensionals. I neglected to get them on there, and I wanted to, but that's how it goes sometimes, and I've already started, so we're just going to roll with it. We are going to put the dimensionals on the top half of the tree and glue the bottom half down. We have the cute little crab, and the crab is holding the little starfish in his palm, and they have these little cuts in them. So we are going to go like this and just glue it in place. So we have our little crabby. We have an extra little starfish. We have the Pecan Pie ephemera from this kit. We have the sailboat ephemera from the July 2023's kit. We have this piece of ephemera from the other kit, right? We have 1/2 of the card base from this kit. So look at all these pieces. So we have all of these pieces are from the July 2023's kit. These are from this kit. And then we have our card base, which is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And we are using an envelope from the July 2023's kit. A hodgepodge of everything, right? Yes. So let's get started simply by gluing layer number 1, which is 4 1/4 by 5.5, down to our card base. When I started laying this out, I was like, is this really going to work? Can this work? And guys, I really think it does work. So if you have your phones ready and you feel like you have time, let me know if you think this card works. It's okay if you think it doesn't. I want to know that too, because I could be out of my mind right now, right? You could be thinking, oh, she's lost it. She's lost it totally. This piece now is going to go in the center like that. So it's going to have a little framing of it. So we're going to just glue this down. So this piece is layer number 1. Closest to the card base is kind of how I do my layers. So we're going to have this piece in the center. Yep, we have our little sunset there, right? So next is this piece, right? Look at that. Or does this piece, I'm trying to think, does that piece go there? Give me a second. I'm thinking. Yes. Next, we're laying the sailboat ephemera down. And with this, we're going to do the same thing. We want the sailboat. Oops. We're going to add 2 minis here, or you can cut a full one in half, but we want that kind of popped up. We want a nice bit of glue here and here. Hopefully I have this listed the right way. It should be the sailboat. Hold on, I want to check what I did. Ephemera. Oh, so 2 is going to be 2 pieces of ephemera. So we're going to just lay those right there. And do you see how we have this just sticking up and then it goes flat as we're moving down the page? Next, we have this piece. It's going to go get glued down is all. No dimensionals on this piece. This is the Pecan Pie ephemera from the current May 2025's kit. Mountain Majesties. This is going to go here. All right, so we have our palm trees now are going to come over here. It looks like, I think I'm going to trim the bottom off a little bit. Guillotine time. Guillotine style, right? Not Gilligan's Island. Guillotine style. Let's see what that looks like. Keep that out for a minute. I want you to see the little tiki hut over there. Yes, that looks good. So I'm going to add glue here, here, and just take these off. And this is going to come in the lower bottom left corner. Right? Now, oops, I'm going to have to snag that up a bit because my little crab is going to get a little dimensional under his little palm here. And his other little, his palm, his little claw, which Hank loves to eat. We're going to glue the rest down and tuck this little crab down like that. All right, our starfish is going to go over here. And I don't, oh, we might as well. I'm like, might as well. Not worried about dimensions at this time. I'm just going to put this one on a dimensional and stick it over there. Now that, of course, leaves these. And I know I had a package of open larger dimensionals. Those are minis, but we'll just open this one. We're going to use just a note on the inside. This is going to go right to the edge. And just like that, we have a card. So cute, but we're not done. Where are my, I want to put the surfboards down at the bottom. Where did they go? Okay, I will just pull another one because I cannot. Maybe I put them back. Where's the surfboards? No. Oh, I so do not like when I do things like that. Sorry, guys. I had them. I did have them. I really did. Okay. There's the little shoes. We could put that on the inside, but I had a surfboard out, and now I have to look through the envelopes to find. Of course, not one of these are going to have a surfboard in it. Where's my surfboard? There's the surfboard. That's what I want. Oh, it might be too big, but we'll see. I just thought that would be super cool. You know what? We could put that on that side. And then, let's see. We could do that on this side and do just a note. I really wanted the surfboards on this side, but that takes up all the room. So we're just going to stick it on this side. Why? Because I want it in there. I just do, okay? I just want it there. Just do. I think it's just going to be, it just needs to be there. So we're going to chomp this off at 4 1/4. We're going to add a little pair of sandals as well. Watch, as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going to find the surfboards. But this just continues, and I cut it too short, so we're going to have to do it like that. My hubby and I used to hang out at Fernandina Beach all the time. That was our go-to place. You didn't need no money. We didn't even need any money to cross the toll bridge because we took the long way around. Because gas was cheap back then, right? Oh, there's the wee little birds. Let's do the Just a Note in and do some little birds. We want those in the gray. Do we want a large birds or little birds? So hold on, I gotta think here. Do we want a flock of those birds or just we want the little birds? We want the little birds. So we don't want big birds. We don't want the big bird. We want the little birds, of course. All right. And the little birds here are taking up the great big block. It's just how it is sometimes when you got stuff all over the place. So we're having little birds, and we need the envelope, right, to stamp hello. And the wee little birds again. And I pushed too hard and it distorted them. Polymer stamp sets. Do not push too hard. And the back is already decorated. So, what do you all think? I think that's gorgeous. I think it's cute. It's fun. We're going to do some Wink of Stella. Of course, we have to do the sunfish, the starfish, and the little crab. This little crab better watch out. Hank will eat you up. No problem. Let's do the sun, the clouds, and the little light inside the little tiki hut. All right, there we have it. Cute, cute, cute. It doesn't need anything extra on there. It just is a cute little scene. So I am so excited to find out what you guys think of what I have done with the two kits and how I tucked this piece and that piece in behind the ephemera. If we made ourselves a cute little sunset, I think it's adorable. I'm really happy with it. And have little surfboards on the inside, day to night, right? So guys are the best. I love doing this. I just do. Wow. It is my honor and my sheer pleasure every time I come out here. Thank you. And I do hope to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now.